Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to add reflection effect to image in Word document. Adding a reflection effect on an image in Microsoft Word is a brilliant way to give your document, flyers or ebooks a polished mirror-like depth. It takes only a few quick steps to apply and customize. So here is the exact step. So for this you need to select the image and click on the picture format. And now look inside the picture style groups on the ribbon and click on the picture effect, and here it is the picture effect. Click on that and here is the reflections. Hover your mouse reflection from the drop down menu. A gallery of reflection will give you so much options like this one. Here you can see that. So word over variation categories by how close the reflection is to the picture, which is the tight, half or full, or how much it fades. So click on any preset to instantly apply to your image. So if you want a highly specific look or want to change the intensity of the mirror effects, you can customize it completely. So again, Control Z to undo that and click on the picture format and click on the picture effect and click on the reflection and click on the reflection options. And here on the right side you will see that the reflection window will be pop up. You need to set the transparency. First you need to select the preset. For example, I'll select this one. Here you can see that, and here you can increase or decrease the transparency, increase the size, whatever you like it, like this one. You can give some blur effects if you want to, and you can also increase or decrease the distance like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can add reflection effect to the image in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.